Hi folks, I'm Tom Addair of Addair Thurston. We wanted to come out and do some videos to let you guys know kind of what's going on around here, how we're dealing with the epidemic, and also how we are here to be able to help if we can. So first, those that know us know that we are not just a law firm, this is family. If you've ever been represented by one of my attorneys or myself, you know that you come in as family. Because of that, our job is to make sure that we keep families safe. And so we're going to do everything we can to make sure that we do that. Some of the things that we've done to be proactive in the trying times that we have is we've gone to doing phone and video conferences for all our clients. So that way clients aren't having to come in and have personal contact with anybody in the office. We can avoid that for you. One of the other things that we're doing, my criminal cases, we're moving criminal cases so that way the clients don't have to appear in court. We're appearing with our criminal cases by either video and by phone with the judge. As far as the business and corporate side of things and the estate planning, we're being able to do all that through my case, and so we've got you covered there. Those that have family law issues, we've already contacted several jurisdictions to make sure those jurisdictions will allow us to do by video conference and by phone. Again, doing everything we can to make sure that we keep our family and you safe. We do want you to know, though, that we are here for you. Just because that we've got a trying time, it looks like there's going to be things that start closing. Addair Thurston will be open. We're going to be able to make sure that even if we all have to spend a couple of days at home, that we'll be able to continue on answering phones and conducting business just as if we were in this building. So we know it's a little scary out there right now. Folks, as Americans, we've always done a very, very good job of sticking together. I know in this trying time we will do exactly that and stick together as a family. And during these trying times, remember, if you do need anything from us, we're here for you. Thank you, and be safe. Hi, folks. It's Tom Addair. I'm here with Autumn Fox, my family law attorney, the one that makes sure that everybody's families are taken care of. And we're here to talk to you a little bit about some of the things that have been going on with the epidemic and some of the fears, and hopefully to be able to help answer some questions and put you at ease knowing that we're here for you. Autumn, first off, I know you've talked to the folks before, but tell them a little bit about yourself. You do family law?
I do family law. I have practiced family law for more than 20 years, and my emphasis is on children because that's my passion.
And right now, with what's going on, kids being out of school and things like that, I know that we have some issues. Can you help address some of those things and what you've seen and perhaps what people can do?
I can, because what's happening in these difficult times is that parents think that the parenting time that's in place with the court may not be in place during this epidemic. Some parents think that their home is the safer home for their children because of the coronavirus. And so what this is causing is that some parents are not getting all of their parenting time, or parents are arguing about who should have the children while they're out of school. And so the way that this is going to be addressed by courts is, first of all, we're here for you. I'm here for you. Because these issues are imminent, and because it's about your children. And so what courts are going to do are a number of things. If it has to go to a hearing, then they'll have phone conferences or they'll have Zoom video conferencing. But if those issues need to be addressed by you in your parenting plan or in your custody case, just know that courts are prepared to address them, and we here at Addair Thurston, and I personally am prepared to address them as well, because children should not suffer more because of this epidemic than we already are.
So folks out there that have this fear that with everything shutting down, the courts will be shut down and they won't have any relief, this might not necessarily be the case. Is that right?
That's right. I've actually called a number of courts in our area, and the courts are open. That you may not have an in-person hearing, but they are open. And so we would have, again, a hearing through that phone conference or through teleconferencing, which each court is going to choose a little bit differently how they're going to address that. But courts are open, we are open, and so those issues can and will be addressed.
So if folks are out there and they're having problems with an ex-spouse or a family member child's mother or father with parenting time and things of that nature. It's not that there's nothing that they can do. There is something that they can do. And if I'm hearing right, it's something that here at Addair Thurston, you particularly can help navigate them through that water.
I can help navigate them through those waters because it's what I've been doing for 20 years. And so while in these difficult times, parenting time issues may not seem to be critical for some people, for parents, they are critical. And so yes, I've handled them for a long time and can continue to handle them through this epidemic.
So folks, we want you to stay safe. If you are having problems though with parenting time or thinking or something of that nature, by all means feel free to call us. We are also, as you've heard before, doing things to make sure that we keep our family safe here and our family being our clients safe as well. We do have the ability to do phone conferencing. We have the ability to do video conferencing, but we are going to make sure that we keep our clients and our family safe. If you need our help, feel free to call us. Autumn, you have one more thing?
I did. I put up my finger to say that I have one more thing.
Sure.
So some clients are also in the midst of their divorces right now, and they're probably wondering what's going to happen with their divorces because they have a timeline. And so know also that we're here for you in that, but also are the courts. So it may be that your hearing will be continued a little bit, or it may be that the court will hear it by phone conference. Again, this is a court-by-court decision, but know that we're here to address that with you because I think some people would be worried about that as well. And so if you have an ongoing divorce case or issue of any kind regarding domestic law, the courts are still open and we're still here for you to assist with that.
Thank you, guys. Be safe.
Thank you and be safe.
Hello, I'm Lisa Ward, and at Addair Thurston, I work in the estate planning and business division, work with property and employers. I know these are concerning times, and we're really a resilient people. And at Addair Thurston, we've been solving problems one client at a time for many, many years now. And we're here to help you. If you need a sounding board, and as your anxiety might mount from time to time, the best way to handle that is to address it. And when we address it, we can find those solutions. So if you're at home and you're thinking about your healthcare power of attorney or needing a living will should you be hospitalized and your spouse or loved one isn't able to speak for you, we can meet with you through a video conference and resolve those issues for you, draft your document, and watch you notarize those. We have a streamlined process. We're very happy to help you. The same would be true with a financial power of attorney. So business can go on as usual. Your taxes can be filed and your affairs handled if you're out of pocket for a bit. A simple will, even a trust, can be handled through a video conference. Just call our office, make an appointment, and we'll be the first to respond. Maybe you have a business and you're facing some difficult times with loan workouts or employee transitions. Maybe you're looking at employees working from home and you're wondering whether you can use their laptops and home assets to place business software on. Maybe you're not sure if your business insurance covers them when they work at home. Please call our office. We can be sure to review policies with you and help you through these new activities in these uncertain times. There's opportunities in the storm too, aren't there? Maybe you're at home and now you have time to start the business you've wanted. Maybe there are opportunities you see that others aren't. We can form your business for you, again, through a video conference, draft sent, applications for business filed. All of this continues. As Maya Angelou says, every storm will run out of rain. We're resilient people and we'll get through this together. And at Addair Thurston, your family, whether you're a current client or one we have yet to meet, we look forward to helping.